Hello! Today we're going to learn the letter Z saying Z. Can you say Z? And again, Z. Well done! First, we're going to look at some pictures of things that begin with the sound Z. See if you can join in. Z, zebra. Z, zip. Z, zigzag. Z, zoo. Z, zero. Z, zoom. Zebra, zip, zigzag, zoo, zero, zoom. Well done! Now we're going to look at two pictures and you've got to say which one begins with the sound Z. Are you ready? Ladder or zigzag? Which one begins with Z? Well done! Zigzag begins with Z. Z, zigzag. Zoo or coat? Well done! Zoo begins with Z. Z, zoo. Zoom or apple? Well done! Zoom begins with Z. Z, zoom. Door or zero? Well done! Zero begins with Z. Z, zero. Wow, fantastic learning! Now we're going to play thumbs up, thumbs down. If the picture begins with Z, you put your thumbs up. If it does not begin with Z, you put your thumbs down. Are you ready? Does tree begin with Z? No, tree does not begin with Z. Does zip begin with Z? Yes, zip begins with Z. Z, zip. Does nest begin with Z? No, nest does not begin with Z. Does zebra begin with Z? Yes, zebra begins with Z. Z, zebra. Wow, good job! Now we're going to learn how to write the letter Z. The letter Z is a lightning letter. It starts low down by the clouds. Then it goes go, crash, go. Follow with your finger. Go, crash, go. Let's try one more time. Go, crash, go. Wow! You learnt the letter Z saying Z. Now ask your grown-up to download your fun activity worksheets to practice even more. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time. Bye!